Okay, my nig is a little ghetto, but stay tuned and he knows what he's talking about.
I did not give her an N-word pass, ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, welcome to the channel. This your boy Rideshare Careers.
My bad, big dog.
It's all good.
After this video, you can invest in my stock
Wait,
market
what?
investor, Rideshare.
Let's keep this on crypto. Anyway, this video is what I've learned about crypto so far. Am I able to make a profit with what I've learned? And am I investing? And if I did, how much? Based off of the knowledge that I've learned since early December of 2024. So stay tuned in.
Okay, I got some crypto questions for you.
Talk to me.
Hopefully, you can make me some money, Big Daddy. Well, where do you find a crypto coin?
Well, I didn't know about crypto exchange platforms, but then I found out that the #1 platform is Coinbase. So that's the one I downloaded from basically the Play Store. It got all the crypto on there. It show you how much they worth, and this is where I learned the market. I sat here, I observed for months, watched which ones go up and down the most, which ones got the most volatility or whatever you call it, you know, the market caps and all the importance, all the ingredients of what crypto means is on this platform.
How much is a crypto coin worth?
Well, here's the ghetto of me. I'm not getting into market cap and all of that. Let's get into the analytics. Just go on a random coin. Just look and scroll down, see its lows, see its highs. You can literally calculate if you bought at this point how much you would have made, if you would have doubled up at this point. You can literally monitor during the year how much it makes, during the months how much it makes, during the day how much it makes. So you clearly can have a consensus on how much these coins make. You don't have to be like, oh man, you know, you could tell when someone is hyping a coin. Oh man, look, this joint should be at this amount at this time. No one knows. But if you clearly see it come up, like, oh, this one is going up drastically, this one is going up, and you can monitor it, then you can know by just monitoring the graphs and noticing what coin does well and what coin is trash. Just by looking at the graph going down the year, okay, during this year, this is the best time that it rose, around this time of 2-3 years ago, which means it ain't never going back to that level again, which means you can move on, meaning you could get a consensus on what it's like to choose a good coin or not. And then you get into the analytics of market cap and things of that nature where it get real technical.
And how do you know it's profitable?
For this example, we're going to do XRP versus dog with hat.
Well, what's the difference between these two coins?
XRP over the years have been hyped, very hyped token. I'm not going to say nothing about it, a very hyped coin. Back in the day, they were talking about this coin 2013. I don't know how. I didn't even know crypto was here back then. But let's just give it 2013. This coin existed. And it was doing it was worth 0.0079 cents. So some people probably was hyping this coin. They bought 1,000 of these coins. 20, they got like 7,000 of these coins. You feel me? So then next thing you know, XRP does a leap one day. Boom. It's now worth 17 cents. The people who bought back here, they now banked. They damn near rich with this little bit right here. This 25 cents per coin, and you done bought like 30,000 coins when it was down here. They getting money. Now, boom. All the people who kept on copping up, they said, okay, now this worth $1. Hold on, now this worth, what's this height right here? $3.84. You see that? 384. 384. All the people before that is now rich. Now, boom, that drop happened. So many people was tired of holding this coin since 2013. They was tired. They like, all right, we profited, but damn, some people missed the profit. Some people sold before the profit. So then they got back into it. They said, oh, let's get back into it. They bought at 58 cents. It done dropped from $3. People went and got rich. They said, oh yeah, we're gonna hype this coin forever. It changed our lives. Now, boom, it's 87 cents. Then it's 46 cents. For so long. Look, all of 2019. Look at this. This all of 2019. People held on this coin, hoping that they went back to the like Bitcoin, hoping they had a piece of what it was before. Now this is $1.96. All of these people came up after a year. A year. Now anyway, you go along, bang. Now this worth $1.40. It's up there. It's up there. I'm trying to get that one. It was $1.96. You saw it? Boom. It's $1.96. All these people bought it at 25, 32 cents, banked. And they done copped up because they remember the good old days. Now we go over here, boom. It's riding, it's up and down. People got faith in this coin now. And then it changed lives twice, right here and right there. Now we get down here, boom. All these people still ride. All of 2022 and 2023. All the people from ancient times of crypto. It's hyping this coin. And now, boom, it's up here again. It's up there again. And we hear how we hyping it now. You see probably in another year, it's going to go down and then to get another growth spurt, or it might keep going up because crypto is changing. It's more volatile in 2025. So who knows? It might just keep going up and we might never see these times again. And that's the story of XRP. Now, doggy wet hat. We going to go here. Boom. Yeah, I did it. Now we going to go, boom, it's 58 cents right now. Well, why would you have faith in this coin? Well, let's go to an hour. In an hour, it's been rocking out with that 58 cents. You ain't got to worry about losing your money at all. Dog with hat is just rocking out solid. We going to stay right here, little 58 cents. No lower. Boom. Let's go in a week. In a week, not only did it stay at 58 cents, boom, it hit a little 60 cents. You gained 2 cents. So if you got 120 of these coins, you gained $1. I don't know, but you know what I mean. Now, not even doing the math. It's rocking out at 58 cents. It ain't going no lower, no higher. That's okay. I'm not losing nothing holding on to this coin. That ain't nothing. Now we go in a week. Boom, a week. We got 54. All right, what? It's still at 50 something. Boom, rocking out. But somebody came up when they hit that 75 cents. So they was down here. They ain't that much of a come up. Probably 10 cents. You know what I mean? But it hit that 70 something. You know what I mean? 75 cents. It stayed at 50, so you're not losing money holding on to this coin. You can just take your money out and be like, get your hand out of my pocket. You feel me? Now we're going to go over here. Boom. 1 month. In 1 month, look what it's doing. This joint is up and down with it. You can learn a lot from observing the graph. If you go backwards in time and see how much it used to be worth, sometimes it might not be that long ago that this coin dropped from its highs or its highest points. When you see that its base low is around 50 and up, and then I clearly see back way before the months, during the whole year, it's been up and down, and it touched dollars. It not only touched dollars, it went all the way to $4. Right now, it's at 58 cents. Now, when you notice that, now, yes, you're going back in time, checking out the graph, checking out what it's done. Right now, you just might be in the best position when it comes to, or I might be in the best position if I was to look at this coin as something to invest in. Now, will I invest in it? That'll be up to me if I want to take that risk or not. What's the gamble? Well, you clearly see that, yes, it's at 58 cents. But you see its potential through the whole year and years before that. That's what make you know if a coin is actually really profitable or not. All-time high. Its all-time high was $4. And guess what? This ain't 10 years ago. This is 2024, March, 1 year ago. And then we come down here a year later. March a year later. So when you look at that, you like, I don't know. But it definitely do seem like if it go back up, one day, it might reach these heights again. So which one would you choose as more strong of an opponent? Dog with Hattie? Or the one that they hype up so much, XRP? You tell me in the comment section below. Now let's continue with this video.
What is another word for a dip?
Some people be like, it's called the market is bleeding out and stuff like that, but it's really just called a sale. Smart people just call it a sale. The crypto is about to go on sale. Thank God. Hopefully the price is low enough where I could afford it. And then you buy a bunch of stuff on sale. And then when it go up, you come up. Basically. It's a sale.
Well, when there is a sale, how low do your chosen crypto coin go?
Well, that's a question that you would have to ask if you chose a coin. You would have to observe it like the way I showed, and you would have to see what's the base low that it normally goes, but you can never predict how low it go because it could go lower than you predict. So don't ever invest in this because it's gambling for real. That's just a warning. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the like button. But anyway, that's up to you to decide depending on what coin you chose, how low the coin actually go. You gotta observe it. You gotta do your research on the coins when you invest in them. Do your research. You could wind up don't ever, and then when you go to other exchanges that's not Coinbase and that's like the ones with the the pump and dumps, be careful of the pump and dumps and stuff like that. That's why you make sure you do your research on anything before you even think of investing in it. That's why I say don't invest nothing at all. I just like to watch people go crazy in the world when I see that the crypto market is going down. And I'll be like, oh snap, this is why everybody is acting so goddamn. No, I'm trying to get rich. F that.
Well, how often do your crypto coin dip?
Well, that's dependent on the popularity of the coin. That's dependent on how many people invest in the coin and the hype behind it, the fame of it. Yes, dealing with meme coins and crypto, there's a lot of fame and hype that's behind it as well that helps push these things. And what's going on in the world? Is there tariffs? Like what's going on? We're going under a tariff attack lately. But anyway, tariffs is having a lot going on in the market right now. So you'll never know how low a coin could go. Or how you do know it's going to go back up because think about it. Too many people is investing in this. Too many companies and there's trillions, not billions, trillions invested in this. So you'll never know how low or high it can go. But however, if you observe, then you in whatever coin you choose, you literally observe the market and check the graph and figure it out from there and do your research on the coin, the vitality and the velocity. I keep on investing up that word, but as well as the market cap and seeing what's going on, dealing with on the chart, dealing with the trading wise, how much people is trading, how many people is selling and buying. A lot of that stuff come with the territory when you're learning about this crypto stuff.
Well, when the market rise, how high do your crypto coin go?
Once you get a consensus on how much your coin actually rides to, you give it that mark and you wait for it to hit that mark. That's where you hit profit.
Well, look, big dog, is there a way to put this on autopilot? Because I'm lazy.
Well, if you go to the left side of Coinbase, you will see limit orders, reoccurring buys. Those two can save your life in crypto. This is the reason why the market rises so fast and sells so fast when it hits certain points. You see drops that look like it was some type of sell off or something. Well, some people literally, when it hit a certain point on the chart, it automatically sells for them. You literally go over there, you type in when it reaches this amount, sell all of it. You could put 50% or max. You would like, and it does change. You could do 80% where you'll get all of your 80% of the money that you made from that crypto. It'll sell off and go straight to your account. And then you'll still have about 20% in there just in case it's still rising. And that 20% could keep making you money as you already cashed out and banked. So yes, but however, you'll have to find the perfect coin to be able to do this with. You'll have to know like its profitability. You'll have to monitor it over a time period, and you still don't know because this is gambling. But however, if you clearly see and got a consensus on where it might hit, even if it's one day, to dealing with the nudes and stuff that's going on these days, you'll never know. You could put it could be at $3. You could put, I don't want to check this graph until it's at $10. And who knows? It might shoot up one day and touch that 10. Boom, auto sell, you up thousands. That's all dependent on the graph, baby.
What you doing after this video?
Well, if you check out the channel, you'll see I'm doing Uber after this video. That's what the
Don't
channel.
front, she must be watching
Nah,
her.
nah, ain't nobody. Who am I worried about watching? What are you
You
talking
know
about?
who I'm talking about.
Hold on, these robots freaky as hell. I'm trying to teach some
You didn't
damn.
even tell the people to subscribe, hit the like
Yo,
button.
subscribe and hit the like button. Why I hit the delete
My
button?
nig, I dare you.
Yo, who gave AI an N-word pass?
You gave me a pass this morning.
Wow, no pass was given. She's lying. That's what we doing.
Stop trying to end the video.
Stop.
You must think you future or something.
Okay, so I gambled. I've been watching Kato for a while. I watched his highs, his lows. Do not invest in this coin. This is just for experimental purposes. Now, I observed it, I watched it, I learned from it, and after catching so many cryptos slipping and seeing all this money, my voice starting to change.
Yeah, I speak money now. I'm intrigued, but not intrigued enough to go broke. I'm watching and observing more than invest in anything. Anything I invested in this, I already had on the app from that first $10 I invested. I'm not rich, I'm just smart. Thank you guys for watching the video. Please hit the like button, subscribe. If you new, stay tuned in for more. Now where she go?